A warm welcome to everyone, all the divas of Forever Star India Awards. It's your first auditions, and I, Shafali Bhargav, is here to host your auditions. I also welcome our, Harry ma'am. She will be taking your auditions, and I also will be there. So I just welcome you all towards your dream, and it starts actually today. So keep smiling, have a smiling face, everyone. Yeah, because it's your audition, and I know everyone will be nervous, excited, and thrilled about their auditions, right? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So please mute yourself. नीचे icon है, please mute yourself. Okay. We will start with the auditions. Auditions में what you have to do, you have to take 2 rounds of rap walk. आपको सबको एक साथ 2 राउंड रैप वॉक के लेने हैं. ठीक है, फिर यू हैव टू सिट बैक रिलैक्स. फिर मैं आपके नेम वन बाय वन कॉल करूंगी एंड देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद योर इंट्रोडक्शन. ठीक है, introduction should be short and compiled, and it should be appropriate, which includes your name as well as your interest is in hobbies. आपको क्या पसंद है? Someone will like dancing, someone will like traveling, everything. Yeah, it will also include your age and the most important part, why you are here to this platform and what you are want from this platform. Okay, so let's get started with please video visible कर लीजिए and we will start with your rap walk. Everyone stand up and start with your rap walk. Everyone, all together. Yes, Anshika, please start with your rap walk. Bobby T, start with your rap walk. Kajal, start with your rap walk. All together, सब एक साथ start करेंगे. Yes, start. Yes, Bobby T, आप बैठ सकते हैं. Yes, Jagriti, you also. Sakshi, you as well. Please sit back, relax. Anshika, you too. Okay, Kajal and Anshika, आप बैठ सकते हैं, please. Samruddhi, you also. Thank you so much. Okay, first of all, I must say you all are looking so pretty and lovely, So I'm just liking you, everyone. All the very best with your introduction as well. So let's call upon Kajal. Please unmute yourself and start with your introduction, Kajal. Unmute करिए काजल अपने आप को नीचे से. काजल, आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
हेलो
काजल, थोड़ी सी लाउड पिच में बोलिए बिकॉज इट्स नॉट कमिंग.
हेलो हेलो
काजल, थोड़ी सी धीरे धीरे वॉइस आ रही है. वॉल्यूम थोड़ी सी तेज कर देंगे आप प्लीज.
हेलो
Okay, carry on with your introduction, Kajal.
hello ma'am, hello everyone. I'm Kajal Prasad here from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Mumbai is also called city of dream. And I'm passed my HSC from Sadi College, Mumbai, Maharashtra. And I have also done some courses like MSc IT, Tally, digital marketing, Google AdWords. And I'm now working as a accountant assistant. My father is a security guard and my mother was a housewife. I have one brother who has working sales manager at bank, and I have 3 sisters. Was married now, and actually मैं पहले NGO में भी काम करती थी. सो मैंने वहाँ पे अभी जॉब की वजह से मैं कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, बट वहाँ के चिल्ड्रन से मैं अटैच्ड हूँ, तो मैं संडे को हमेशा उनके पास जाती हूँ। हम बैठ के खाना खाते हैं, डिनर करते हैं साथ में, एंड मैं उनको स्टडी भी करवाती हूँ। एंड जब मैं कॉलेज में थी तब मैंने मॉडलिंग के लिए ट्राई किया था, बट सम फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज की वजह से मुझे 12th पास करने के बाद ही जॉब स्टार्ट करना पड़ा, जिसकी वजह से मुझे अपना मॉडलिंग छोड़ना पड़ा। देन एफसीआई के जरिए मुझे अभी एक ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे सपनों को फिर से एक उड़ान मिली है, एंड मैं अभी यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ और मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि एक बोलते हैं ना कि अपना सपना पूरा होते हुए आपको दिख रहा है, एंड वही थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
काजल, आपको क्या करना पसंद है? व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज?
My hobbies is listening music, sing a song, cooking, dancing. Mostly I like sing a song.
Okay, so I guess we will listen your song in your other talent rounds as well, and wish you all the best. I guess we have provided you the wings to fly. Yes. Okay. So next with Jagriti, please unmute yourself and start with your introduction. काजल,
Thank
अपने
you,
आप को
ma'am.
म्यूट कर लीजिए.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Done.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is Jagriti Kumari. I'm an undergraduate student from Uttaranchal University, Dehradun, and I'm currently living in Noida City with my mother, my elder brother, and an exceptionally perfect dog. So actually, I love doing like things that I love learning things. I love exploring things. I love exploring places, people, and their culture. And I'm a very religious kind of person, and I believe in only one religion, that is humanity. And I think everyone should do that. And most importantly, actually, I'm very nervous kind of thing because this is my first time. So yeah, and I hail from a middle class family. We have been taught, like I have been taught, that life is not as you expect it to be, and it has some ups and downs. And I've been to most of the downs rather than the ups. So it's my high time to make my own identity, and I'm here just to make my own identity because I recently lost my father due to corona, and it was a very tragic moment for me. And my father always wanted me to make my own identity and shine like a superstar. And I think FSI is giving the platform for me to showcase my talent and potential. And I want to be a representative of someone, like I want to be an ideal for everyone, that yes, you can also do that. If I can do this, you can also. If I just want that people should come out of the struggle of their lives and unleash their potential, to know that yes, they can come out to the light and they can achieve good things. And if I can be the medium, I would be blessed. I would be highly blessed. And I think that would make my father more proud. And that's all. That's pretty much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jagriti. And I know आप nervous नहीं हो. You are a role model of your own. आप अपने लिए खुद के role model हो, right? And I am so proud of you. And I wish your father would be proud of you too, right? The smile. Okay. Next with Bobby P, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Okay, Jagriti, may I know your hobbies as well?
Yes, of course. I am into various kind of things. I am into painting, crafting. I love reading novels. I am a book freak because my course is only that English literature, like English honors. So that's my kind of hobby, and I'm actually on a verge to publish my first book, and that is the thing. I love writing journals and everything like related to writing and reading stuff.
Wow. So all the very best for your book.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Next with Bobby. Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm Harika Reddy. I'm presently staying in a place called Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and I'm currently studying in IIT BTech final year from IIT Guwahati. And my hobbies are I used to practice classical dance and I like working out in gym. And, and why I'm here is that I wish I can polish my personality and I can enhance my personality. And I even wish to win the crowns if I'm deserving. But more, my motto of being here is to enhance my personality. So yeah, that's it about me.
Thank you so much. First of all, it's our honor to listen to you. Yeah. So please don't get nervous because we are nervous too. So smile. मुझे पता है ये आपका first time है, but keep smiling. We all are here for you only. Okay? We are friends, right? Okay. Moving towards to Samriti.
Hello, hello everyone. Ma'am, can I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello everyone. My name is Samruddhi Shankarkar. I'm from Chakan. I'm from Chakan, and I was looking for the experience of this. Sorry, ma'am. I'm feeling so nervous, ma'am.
First sit back, relax. अच्छे
Yeah,
से बैठो, अच्छे से बैठो पहले तो. Sit back, relax. अच्छे से बैठो. कैमरा को सेट करो.
wait a minute. Ma'am, I have to listen.
Language is not a bar. You can speak in Hindi as well. We just wanted to know your side. ठीक है, हमें आपके बारे में जानना है. तो language कोई बात नहीं है. If you wanted to talk in Hindi, you can talk in Hindi as well.
ओके मैम. मैम मेरा नाम समृद्धि शंकरकर है. मैं चाकन से हूँ और अभी मैं बी फार्मेसी कर रही हूँ. I was not interested in B pharmacy, but because of my parents, I have taken B pharmacy. I was interested in air hostess, but they said like that no means they was not what I want to say.
मैं समझ रही हूँ. What your hobbies
हाँ.
are?
And I am interested in makeup. I like to design. I like to draw mehendis and all that things. I like to sing. I like to listen music and all that. I like to dance.
And why you are here for this platform?
I'm here to create my own identity. To show means finally I was not interested in B pharmacy because of my parents. I have taken that B pharmacy, and I want like this goal to I want like this goal that which can I handle it means air hostess is one like that in that I was interested because makeup was my passion. मतलब, I want to do. I like makeup, and in that all that type of things only we can study in air hostess, na. So, but because of their parents, parent support was not there.
Okay, we understand. Now this is the platform for you, or I hope your parents will support this platform as well, and you have to show this is the platform where you can explore everything, right? And
Yes,
please nervousness the first last time.
No, ma'am. This was my first experience to talk like this. Now,
This is
so
my first
I'm.
experience to talk to you. Too.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, moving towards to Anshika. Anshika, sorry to captivate. Let's start with the introduction.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. Good evening, everyone. I'm Anshika Divedi. I'm 20 years old. I belong to a city near Agra, famous for its glass making industry, Firozabad. I'm pursuing my engineering degree from Pune. I love painting. It gives me tranquility and helps me express my thoughts. Apart from painting, I also enjoy reading. My favorite book is A Million Thoughts by Om Swami. The book gives some beautiful insights on meditation, which I follow in my daily life. I feel a special connection with aged people. My dream is to open an old age home where I can spend time with them, know their problems, and provide them safe and secure living conditions. I was a shy kid since childhood, always studious, but a part of me always wanted to do modeling, walk on the ramp, keep my thoughts in a huge audience. So here I stand high with the belief that the world needs people like you to dream of something great and then pursue it with all your heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anshika. I guess हम सबकी अपने अपने talents हैं. Some have talents of singing, some have talents to become a modeling, and some of them are into makeup skills and everything. Yeah, right. And I think this is the best platform for you to showcase yourself. Yeah, we have Sakshi, another candidate. So can we have your introduction, Sakshi? Please unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. What about you? Thanks for asking.
I'm good. Thank you, ma'am. So, my name is Sakshi Bhosle. I'm 21 years old. I'm from the small state of India, that is Goa. And it's very beautiful, this Goa. And yes, it's very hot over here. It's like I'm really sweating. On top of that, I'm nervous too. But I live here with my mom, who has beautifully brought up me here. And apart from my academics, currently I'm a final year student pursuing my engineering in electronics and communication. So apart from this academic life, I also play guitar and I'm a classical dancer too. And sometimes I also sketch. And recently I have developed my new hobby into this gardening. I also love gardening. And the reason behind me taking part in this contest is, to represent my state, that is there. But more importantly is to develop my personality and to boost my confidence, to make the better version of myself. And lastly, to give my best into this contest without any fear of losing and without any greed of winning this contest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. Can we have your, rapport, rounds of rapport? Thank you so much, Sakshi. Now you can sit back, relax. Okay. So we are done with your audition. So I just want again a big smile. You are done with your audition. Nervousness had gay. Yeah. Okay. I would like to call Harry Khosa ma'am to say some parting words.
Okay, thank you so much, Shefali. Thank you, for putting it out so well. So welcome, ladies. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good. And first of all, congratulations to each one of you, because I know आप लोगों की nervousness बता रही है, and let's accept it. किसी stranger से to sit across a virtual screen and talk about yourself takes a lot of courage. So kudos to each one of you, and thank you so much for putting out your details so well. I genuinely appreciate it, and so does the team of Forever Star India. Now, also congratulations on completing your first step into this journey, of finding the best version of yourself through this platform. This is just the beginning. So आज आपके ऑडिशन कंप्लीट होने के बाद within 48 hours आपको एक ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट ईमेल कर दी जाएगी. And that audition report is meant to ensure a process of transparency between the platform and a candidate who is really excited and passionate. I'm sure आज सुबह आप उठे, you were like, आज मेरा audition है, I have to get, my best version out, and I have to prepare myself, थोड़ी हिम्मत gather करना and confidence gather करना. And then you were like, I have to do this, right? So effort जाता है, बहुत एफर्ट जाता है, एंड फॉर दैट मैटर वी वांट टू इंश्योर कि आपको उस हर एफर्ट का एक आउटपुट पता चले, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली टू स्टार्ट अ जर्नी यू नीड टू नो वेयर यू स्टैंड. Eventually that is how you would know कि यहाँ से grow कहाँ करना है, what is my direction from here, right? So the audition report will act like a certificate जिसके basis पे आपको एक review मिलेगा of how you have performed, what are your high points, what are your weak points, and where do you need to potentially improve, and of course the concluding point that have you been selected or not. लेकिन जैसे कि आपने मुझे अपने बारे में बताया, मैं उससे पहले आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में कुछ डिटेल्स देना चाहूंगी. Now, Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. It's a community. We are trying to build a community of like-minded women who are just out and out passionate to make a mark for themselves. We are just looking for passionate and talented women जिन्हें अपने आप को prove करना है without any third-party involvements. So I don't think we can have better candidates than you guys. Look at you, all of you look so lovely, and you know, please apna smile lose mat kijiye, it's extremely beautiful, and you know, each of you have performed so well. It takes a lot of courage, like I said. So moving forward, after you clear the audition, you become a participant, a member of our community. Now how does that work? Before मैं आगे की details पे जाऊं, basic benefits आपको मिलेंगे. You know, each of you will be receiving a sash, each of you will be receiving shopping vouchers, and you know, Google ranking 4 months down the lane. आप जब Google पे डालेंगे साक्षी भोसले, you know, अंशिका, काजल, समृद्धि, जागृति, हारिका, आप अपना नाम Google पे डालेंगे, you will be finding yourself on the top. That's how the process is going to be, no matter you win or not. ये कुछ ऐसे benefits हैं जिनको अब मैं list करना शुरू करूं तो it will take me an hour or so to complete. So check out the website for that. But coming on to the major crux of it, यहाँ से आपकी growth की journey शुरू होगी, because I'm sure most of you mentioned that you are here to groom yourself, to work on yourself, to build on your confidence, right? And that is what we want to ensure as well, because eventually जीतना ना जीतना बहुत बात की बात है, but what you take away from that experience is extremely important. So on these lines, we have 150 plus experts from different profiles: image consultants, stylists, designers, makeup artists, RAM walk experts, fitness experts, जो आपकी basic minor details पे work करेंगे to ensure that you have a journey where you experience and you grow. And you know, जो भी आपके minute talents हैं जिनको आज तक आपने बहुत ही casually लिया होगा, that will come out in the best forms you would have never imagined so far. And after after we complete these 4 to 5 months virtual training, because we also understand that, you know, you all are working women or studying, so it's very difficult for you to travel across the country to access, you know, the groomings or the trainings. So it will be all virtual to ensure a very safe and standard space for everybody. And of course, to provide you an expertise from metro cities like Mumbai and Delhi for that matter. And you know, after the 4 to 5 months training period, we will be holding our grand finale where we wish to, you know, we aim to crown more than 350 plus winners. So it's not just one winner. We'll have city winners, state winners, and then of course national level winners, each of them receiving numerous career prospects, you know, career opportunities. And on these lines, you know, the grand finale is going to be in December. It is going to be offline because I'm sure crown पहनना किसी को भी online अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You guys would love to wear them, you know, while you adorn those beautiful designer dresses. Okay, so what happens next? A community का idea कैसे survive करेगा? Now, once you clear the audition, you also become eligible to access a lifetime membership of this platform. Now, what do I mean by lifetime membership is that, you know, usually pageant khatam ho gaya, you win or you lose, then you are like, I am on my own, right? But that's not the deal here. We want that aapko is platform se generated har ek opportunity ko access mile. For example, there's a very minor and a very interesting one is that next year we are going to launch our own OTT platform. I'm sure you guys are very well aware of how OTT have been the boon to the entertainment industry. Hotstar, Amazon, Netflix have been the survival kits for that matter, you know, for us also. In fact, that's the only thing we know as of now for when it means to entertainment. So we will be launching our own platform jahan pe hum career opportunities related to acting, you know, script writing, direction, singing, choreography, we will be putting them out and you will be getting a direct access to it. Only our community members, nobody from outside. So imagine the space that we wish to build, imagine the opportunities that we wish to give, because eventually it's not, you know, about conventional beauty standards for us. It's about you being talented, passionate, and really interested to work on your talents, to grow from here. It's a platform that tends to inspire and empower women through any kind of possibility that we can potentially create. So OTT is just, beauty pageant is just a way to get there, so that we can end up creating a community, a safe space for women, because I'm sure aapka KYC jayega when you will get yourself enrolled as a participant. So it is going to be a very safe space. And not only that, next year, if you get really good into makeup, or you get really good into styling, we might collaborate with you as a trainer. You might be training the season 2 participants, for that matter. So for us, it's just your talent that matters. Language is not a barrier, your background is not a barrier. Aapne aaj tak ye nahi kiya, no problem. We will groom you from the scratch to make sure that everybody comes on a standard space, taki competition fair ho. And isi tarah aage badhte, these are going to be some numerous opportunities. There is just one thing that I would like to highlight. I am pitching in the details of Forever Star India's social media handles. Make sure you guys take a screenshot and follow us on all these platforms, because eventually that is what is going to take us forward, considering all of it is going to be virtual, the 90% of it. You also need to start building your brand image. I'm sure if Manushi Chillar goes offline for a month today, nobody will remember her, right? So you need to understand that if you want winner banna hai, so you should have the winner quality on every possible practical platform that you are on. So start creating content that highlights your talent. We should also know, that this participant is really capable and talented of this particular quality. Eventually, we can get hold of that into the later opportunities that we come up with. And the last point that I would like to make is that, to access all of this, you guys will have to pay a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST. No more hidden charges, just this fee to access the groomings, the trainings, and of course, the entire lifetime membership plan that we are going to incorporate. और इसी में numerous benefits भी रहेंगे जो आप website पे देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने mention किया था. The shopping vouchers worth rupees 10,000, the sash, the business opportunities, and of course, the Google ranking, like I had mentioned. So that would be it from our end. Thank you so much for hearing me out patiently. I genuinely appreciate. Thank you for your time today. And if there are any questions that you would like to ask, me and Shefali are all open to answering any kind of it. So please go ahead, unmute yourself if you have any confusion. Okay, I guess we look sorted. But don't worry, in case आपको कुछ भी confusion हो, go through our website, research अच्छे से कीजिए अपनी, कोई भी चीज में invest करने से पहले you should complete your research always. So, look out for our YouTube channel, see what kind of sessions we are enrolling into. We are coming up with contests and, a lot many ideas to ensure that it's a very, very safe and reachable, accessible platform for all kinds of women from every background for that matter. So just start going, research well, and then after you receive the audition report, which I'm sure you guys are going to clarify, and post that, our customer care team will be getting in touch. So aapko kuch bhi sawal hua, you guys can always ask them then and there and, reach out to them. So thank you so much, ladies. It was lovely meeting all of you. Thank you so much for your time today. And, all the very, very best. Me and Shefali are signing off now. And we shall see you really soon in the training sessions. Goodbye.